In this video, hello guys and welcome back to the new video. So as I promised you, in this video we are learning how to create a React app and see the folder structure of the React app to understand how the bare minimum React app works. So to create a new React app, let's firstly go to the documentation. So open the Chrome and let's search React documentation. It will direct us to this link of reactjs.org, and this is the documentation of React. So what we have to do is create a new React app. So let's go to this tab and they will show everything related to creating a new React app. Firstly, they are saying about create React app, then Next.js, then Gatsby, and then toolchains for creating React app. But what we want to do is create a React app with everything that I want and customize it according to our needs. So go to create React app, and now you have to go to create React app.dev. This is also a website from Facebook open source, and this one is also from Facebook open source. But this website is only about React, and this website is about creating the React app. So let's move to dark mode because I don't like light modes, and let's get started with this. I've shown this website you earlier, and now we are learning how to create a React app and how to customize it. So this is the thing that we want, not this particular thing. So let's close this tab and come over here. So here they have given a welcome screen and only about docs, what we are learning in these docs and everything about that. So let's go to getting started tab and click getting started. Here we are given quick start, which was also available in that reactjs.org website, and you can create React app using npx create React app and then your application name. So this is the bare minimum React app which creates a React app with JavaScript, and you can do anything you want in your own React app. Creating React app needs an npx package. So what is npx? Npx is nothing but a service provided by npm, or you can say node, which we can use to install anything without installing the particular package that we need to install that particular thing. So this is a very messy thing. Let me clear it down. To install a React app or to make a React app, you need create React app command. But when I boot up my CMD in administrator mode and show you create React app and no spaces, we must give dashes here, and it shows that create React app is not recognized at internal or external command. Let me go to E drive and go to my React project folder, and this is filled folder with my other projects. Let's clear it down, and here. So as I showed you that create React app is not installed in my system, but what I have installed is npm, which is node package manager, and npx, which is a service provided by npm, or you can say a service provided by node to install the packages that we have not installed on your system. So they have given how to install a React app, how to start React app with TypeScript template, how to start with Redux template. I'm showing you everything afterwards, but let's first create our new React app. So this is a quick start. So copy this command and paste it up here. Npx create React app and app name. So let's call it first YT, and your names must be always in small letters, and you can use dashes up there, and let's install this in our system. So now you can see I am using create React app command, but I have not installed create React app command, and still it is working, and it is working only because of this npx, which is allowing me to install anything that I have not installed on my PC and use that particular thing online. So now my app will be created. Let's go to this tab and search for npx, and this is the documentation of npx. It is already installed in npm, you no need to install it, but if it is not installed or your npm is broken, you can install it using npm I npx. So my React app is installing up here. They are creating a new React app, they are installing packages. This might take a couple of minutes. Installing React, React DOM and React script with CRA templates. I will be right back when it is installed. So that our React app is installed properly, it is showing us some commands like npm start to start the development server, npm run build to bundle the app into static files for production, npm test to start test runner. It is suggesting us to cd into first yt. So let's do it. Cd first yt, press tab for autocomplete in command prompts, and it will take us to the first yt folder. Now it is asking us to start the app, so let's do it. Npm start, and when we hit enter, it will start the React scripts, it will start development server, and on the localhost 3000 we will see our new React app. It is starting the server, but first of that, let me fire up another command prompt as administrator and switch over to my directory, that is react projects slash first yt. And to open this directory into the code editor, that is Visual Studio Code, press code. This is the command to open VS Code, and then dot means the current directory, and press enter, and it will open this folder in VS Code. So as you can see, the folder is opened in VS Code. Close this welcome window and you can see the folder structure. We will come right back to the folder structure, but let's first see our website. So this is the React website, and it is showing to edit src/app.js, as we have created a bare minimum React app, and save to reload. That means it is providing us hot reload functionality. So let's go to VS Code. We do not need this terminal now, so let's close it. And what happened, man? And then go to VS Code. Here you can see node modules folder, the essential folder for every React app or every npm thing that you are installing. Then this readme.md file, it is used for uploading your or pushing your code to GitHub, and this file will be used as readme. And then package.json for our configurations. Here you can see scripts that was given npm start, npm build, npm test, npm eject. We do not need this eject stuff, test stuff and build stuff for current, but we will need it afterwards when we are going for production and testing. This is package log.json, another configuration file for Babel scripts. I don't want to install it. This is .gitignore file to ignore the directories and files ending with the extensions when we are pushing it to GitHub. This is ESLint cache. It's not for us. And this is source folder, this is public folder. So let's see what the source folder is. In the source folder you can see these files of CSS and JS. So from here, this is setup test.js. We do not need it, so delete it. Then logo.svg, this is this logo which is rotating up here. This is app.js, and let's make some changes in our app.js. Let's remove this header component and let's try here in h1. Why my emit is not working? h1 and then hello React, and let's save it, and it will show these changes into this web. So let's go here, and we do not need this logo import, and we are not using this CSS. We are using BEM conventions. We will see what are the BEM conventions in the next video. We do not need app.test.js, so delete this file also. We do not need this logo.svg as you are not using it, so delete it also. And this is everything that we need. Control A it, that means select it and delete it because we don't need it. And you can see your React app. Afterwards, we are starting with this React app, and I am showing you how to use it, how to make your own website using React. In this public directory, everything that you have created for your production will be served, and it is served directly to the React page. And when you view page source of this element, you will see only this thing. We will talk about it afterwards. So that's about this video. Thank you for watching it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.